Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Modern Coding. So in this tutorial we will see how to integrate the Google Admob ads. So before starting the new project, just go to the browser, uh, okay, and type the Google Admob. After this, with Gmail account you can just simply sign up, and after this, this screen will be appear. So clicking on the app account, click on the add app, giving just we are using Android. So this is the app ID. This is the most important ID. We are just doing all it for this ID. Copy this and paste in it in your mm, notepad. So we are doing this just to create the two IDs, and first one is the app ID and the second one is the add unit ID. We are implementing the banner ads, so we will select on this, giving the add unit name. First, this will be the first ad. Click on this. So we just created the both IDs. This is the app ID and this is the add unit ID. Now coming back to the Android Studio. So we have actually create this ID, the Google AdMob ID, recently. So for this, we will not use this ID, add unit ID. We will use the sample ID to check the test ads. Okay, this one. Let's start. First of all, going to the build.gradle. Just copy this from this. Sync now. Then go to the main XML file, paste it in the application tag. uh, Now we have the app ID, so we will paste there the app ID. Okay, mm, now copy this. Okay, just paste there. mm, okay. So this is just perfect. Now going to the main Java file. Now let's test the app. Okay. So yeah, this is just working fine.